So what we've done today, although we haven't filmed the process, this originally was all clay which the customers dug out, turned over, mixed gypsum in, and then brought another 1.5 tons of soil in and got it somewhere level. We've been today, and with the assistance of the customer, we've brought in the last 1.5 tons and levelled it all out as best we can with what we've got. So we've got it level with the sides and filled in the middle. We've had a string line from the corner down to that corner, and we are pretty much bang on with a nice flush level. We've also filled in this little corner here because it sank down about 6 inches. So we filled in with topsoil there and over in the distance. In addition, we've done the full Scarify aerate on both of these lawns, and then we've overseeded the whole thing and put the top dressing on, which is the compost, roller emerald green on, and give it a good watering in. So it was actually quite a low section, and the grass rose up a little bit here and then dipped down. So we used a Scarify to take off the hump, so it evened out the height on the grass to the height in the soil, and we got it nice and smooth. But customer's really happy. Like I say, we've had the string lines down and it is pretty flat. Okay, so in about 3 or 4 weeks time this should all be looking absolutely beautiful, and the customer's just commented he's really happy with the outcome. He's not been here long, he's got a lot of stuff to do in the bottom of the garden, but they've just had all the patio done. So yeah, it's another step. So if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. We will be coming back here in the future, so I'll get you an update as soon as we can. I might be able to get one off the customer to be sent to me. So we'll see you on the next one.